case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1992, Darla Michelle Luster was at the heart of a Georgia court case that delved into the interpretation of the state's Controlled Substances Act. Accused of possessing cocaine and then distributing it to her newborn daughter, Luster was charged on 2 counts. The lower court dismissed the second count directed at Luster, charging her with delivering and distributing cocaine to her daughter. Unsettled by this ruling, Luster appealed the court's denial of her motion for discharge and acquittal on the first count, the possession of cocaine. The state decided to retaliate, appealing the trial court's dismissal of the distribution charge. Their case was taken to the Georgia Court of Appeals, where despite their appeals, the decision of the trial court was ultimately upheld. The Court of Appeals agreed with the lower court that Luster's actions did not fall under the prohibitions of the current law. It stated that the law in question was unclear in its application to such a case. Specifically, does the transmission of drugs to a fetus through a pregnant woman's ingestion constitute distribution? The court found that the language of the statute did not clearly cover Luster's actions. Therefore, it was concluded that she could not be penalized on grounds of possessing and distributing cocaine to her newborn. Despite Luster's protest on the contrary, and her attempts at a motion for discharge and acquittal, both these were denied by the court. Noting a lack of precedent for such a case, the court voiced agreement with the refusal to expand the law beyond its plain meaning. The Georgia Court of Appeals reaffirmed the lower court's rulings, making it clear that vague laws could not penalize conduct a person could not reasonably understand as forbidden. The court's decisions continue to shape the interpretation of laws dealing with controlled substances and pregnancy in the state, introducing further debate on the legalities surrounding motherhood and drug consumption.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.